Hi, I'm going to now demonstrate with an example of how computer use can be using Claude 3 can be used for insurance use case. So what I have here is an insurance property underwriting kind of a use case, and I'm going to initiate this particular tool to capture information, study the images and fill a form. It's a simple form, but we can easily extend it to other applications. So let's me start with the demo, and I will show you the Claude API exchanges in a while, but let's first execute the demo. So you see the way Claude computer use works is it takes screenshots, and it has already taken a screenshot. It has scrolled down and it is looking at the question that is put in the form, and it is correctly selecting the option that it's a multi-story building, and then it is submitting the form. Right. So this is a very simple example which demonstrated computer use with Claude, and let me give you a quick view of what has happened behind the scenes. Okay, so here is the exchange of information that has happened as a part of the program, right? Okay, so it started with a prompt saying that okay, I will help you in reviewing the images. Let me take the screenshot. So it has taken the screenshot. Sorry. Yeah, sorry. So it has taken the screenshot, and then it is see that there is already a form which is available. So it is kind of scrolling the form, asking questions, and you see the information that it is passing right to the client. So for example, after the screenshot is taken, uh, it is then analyzing the information that it is a multi-storied property, and then it is selecting the coordinate, that particular option. Now it has passed these coordinates 321, 480, and it has moved the mouse to that particular position, and after that it has performed a click operation, right? That's how the click option was executed, and then again it has done the same thing for the submit form. So 330, 530, it has then pressed the submit form, and that's basically a very simple example, and then it finally summarizes what actions it has done at the end of the form. This can be extended to, of course, further use cases where you can essentially look at information in terms of the floor plan, and very rough information like floor plan, and then other property images, and then you can ask questions like age of the property, area in square feet, etc. So you can extend this demo to the extent you can, and imagine and basically automate a lot of processes. Thank you for watching this video.